assembly required. And we got over here, Austen, Henley. And then over here, we got Issac, Kenneth. And it's a huge rock concert tonight. I mean, these guys are so super, super talented.
Come up tomorrow. People, I've had a good time. I'm just a little up here in a country state of mind. Though the old man's in the kitchen, they got a kind of music on his radio. Yeah, drinking his beer and dialing up the request line. Put some music on soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Hey, how you guys fucking doing? Alright, so this is the first time in this area that we've been able to smoke this much weed legally. And no one's going to jail. It was fun. This morning I had a meeting with the security team and I said, now listen folks, okay? I need to let you, we're going to have to let them in with at least 16 ounces of marijuana, the legal limit, so they can pull in. And I'm like, what the fuck is this?